We know this swim can produce the bream and the barbels, so we're going straight in with the wafters. Starting on the krill. I've got some micro pellets for feeder. I'm always in a mad rush in the morning, so I feel like the window of opportunity is going away from us. I think we'll go out to our left. Hopefully it's not too snaggy. Ah, heck, it's shallow in here. We're just getting a quick 2 hours in before weather warms up. Not had any barbel over here this year, but I've only fished it once. Oh, don't tell me the boats are out in force. The only thing with rowing boats is to come back down on this inside line and just clean you out. If I had a bite within like a couple of casts or like a knock, I'm already thinking, oh, party's over, it's not happening, not going to get out. It's the liners more than out. If I aren't getting any liners, I'm like, oh man, this ain't good. Oh, don't you do that to me. No, no, no. You want to be an absolute dreading, you. Second cast, and that's what we're up against. I think I might abandon that and go straight in front where I was the other day. It even feels dodgy there every time it goes down. Oh, boat's ringing up. Oh, I've got a snag there and all. Another boat. I'm not having a good morning, am I? As if I've got arm off. Hey, it's not happening, is it, this morning? Christ. Hook point don't. Oh, hook point's gone over now. Oh man. It's all happening. Already. 3 casts. Carnage. Well, I might as well go nearer to the bridge, because I think that'll be our best chance of a barbel. Oh yeah, it's been a right good idea this morning, this. Shot back there. That was a liner. Oh yeah, definitely getting little knocks. Oh yeah. No! Wish I brought my cap, tell you. Well, that's encouraging. This sun's a nightmare. I thought it was more over there where it comes up in this swim, but obviously I was wrong. That's why I'm stood up over here. Go on then, go on. I think that's roach. Having a go at it. And drop back after a go. Oh, I don't know what happened there. Are we in? I think the right bait. Not a roach. Yep. Whoa! I thought he went a bit berserk. Pike. Pike went for it. Fair play to you, brother. Good evasive work, that. Nice roach. You don't want to go back, look. Don't blame him. so it's a roach out there. The bigger fish might be kicking about though, if we persevere. Go on then. What have we got on here? Better than what that roach was. I have no idea what it is. Skimmer. Skim dimmer. Well, not a bad skimmer, but I'm not messing about picking it up. Or is it a bream? I don't know what you want to call it. Decent fish. Well, they're getting slightly bigger. But we are running out of time quick. That sun is fully engaging now. So don't worry, because it's just berserks out there. Because we're on air rig, they're on anyway. Just got to lift into them really. Some that's on area. Oh yeah, it must be in here surely. Oh wait, I think so. Somewhat small. A little roach. No, you have to do it, don't you? Nice roach. Well, it doesn't seem our name's on it today. I was hoping to get some bigger fish with this wafter, but obviously it's not panning out. I think if it was on bread, we'd have probably bagged up on bits, but yeah, I think that's going to be it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.